As per associative property, if L, M, N are three integers, then L into M into N equals to L into M into N. What do you mean by this? It means if we find the product of M and N, and to that we multiply to the L, or we first take out the product of the L into M, that is LM, L and M product, and to that we multiply to N. We get the same answer. Let's see the example. Let L equals to 2, M equals to 3 and N equals to 5. Now apply this rule. Which rule? Associative law or associative property. To see, now in place of L you put 2, in place of M 3, and in place of N put 5. So what you have to the left hand side value, this is your left hand side and this is the right hand side. So you have now L into, that is 2 into 3 into 5. If you calculate it, you get the 2 into 3 5s 15. And now this 15, if you multiply it to 2, to 15 to the 30 we get. In the same way, if we take first 2 and 3 and then we multiply it, to what we get? 2 3 is 6. And this 6 you multiply to the 5. What you have? 6 5 is 30. So what you come to know from this, the conclusion here is, we have come across the conclusion, that is the 2 into 3 into 5 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 equals to 30. So what you have find here? You have find here, each of the case the product is coming the one and the same, and that is the 30. So this rule is called the associative rule or associative property. Okay, let's take the another rule, distributive property. As per the law, see, if we take L, M and N, they are the three integers, and then if we find out L into, in bracket, small bracket, right, M plus N, bracket close, that is equals to L into M plus L into N. How? See, if you multiply L into M, so L into M, what we have? That is the LM, or what we write here? L into M. In the same way, if you multiply L into N, what you have? L into N here. So it means, what you understand from this rule, as per the rule, if we first add two integer and to that sum we multiply by the third integer, or we multiply first integer to the second and first integer to the third, and then find their sums, you will get the same answer. Let's take the example to put a light on the rule. Let's take L equals to 3, M is equals to 2 and N equals to 4, and now apply this rule. See, then you find L, that is 3, so 3 into 2 plus 4 equals to, let's multiply 2 into 3 and put a plus sign, then 3 into 4. Each of these case, if you calculate, you must get the same result. See, take the left hand side of it. You find here 3 into 2 plus 4. And what is 2 plus 4? That is the 6. So 3 into 6, that is equals to 18. Now let's come to the right hand side of it. See, you find here 3 into 2 plus 3 into 4. So we get now 3 into 2, 6 plus 3 4 ja 12. Now let's find out their sum. So 6 plus 12, what we get? That equals to 18. So what you have seen here, you have found here, it is coming 18 to each case. And what is this? In this way, the distributive law hold good in this case. Clear all? Now, fifth rule is existence of the multiplicative identity. See, for every integer L, we have L into 1 equals to 1 into L, and that equals to L. It means L1 ja L, 1 L ja L. How? See, if we have 5, so 5 into 1, that equals to 5 1s are 5, and 1 into 5, that is also, we have 1 into 5, 5. Okay? Now, last rule is existence of multiplicative inverse. If L is an integer, its multiplicative inverse will be the 1 upon L. See, if you find the product of the L and 1 upon L, you get L into 1 upon L, that is L1 ja L upon L equals to 1. So if you get the product 1, then L multiplicative inverse is the 1 upon L. Okay? Fine.